आपको खुद ही अरेस्ट करेंगे।
मैडम सामने देखिए, इधर मैम इधर देखिए।
सवाल कौन पूछ रहा है? You're asking.
सबसे पहले कॉन्ग्रेचुलेशन फॉर द रॉक ऑन।
थैंक यू। वन मोर रीटेक।
ठीक है, चलो
रेडी?
हाँ चलो।
कॉन्ग्रेचुलेशन रॉक ऑन 2 के लिए नया फिर से एक सफर शुरुआत करने आ रहे हैं, क्या कहेंगे ऑडियंस से आप?
यही कहूँगा कि रॉक ऑन एंड कीप रॉकिंग ऑन। इट्स बहुत ही अच्छी फिल्म थी जो लोगों को पसंद आई थी, और जो पुबाली और सुजात ने मिलके जो ये स्क्रिप्ट लिखी है, it had a potential of being taken to the next level, so that's what it's done. I can't tell you much about the story, but इसमें everybody did like it. एक national award we had won for this movie, and we've been waiting 8 साल लग गए, but I think the worth will, I mean, it is worth the wait, and you'll see the movie and hopefully enjoy it.
सबर का फल मीठा होता है।
How difficult was it to take over from the first part, because considering the first part was so successful, और अभी second part आपने direct किया, क्या कहना चाहेंगे, कितना challenging रहा आपके लिए?
चैलेंजिंग एज एन एवरी फिल्म इज चैलेंजिंग, ऐसे नहीं है कि मतलब दिस वाज मोर ऑफ अ चैलेंज और लेस ऑफ अ चैलेंज। It's more, it took us 2.5 years to work the story and the script out, actually. So we had spent a good amount of time in working the script out. And Ritesh and Farhan were very clear that, only once the story works that we will go ahead and make it. Because, the first one was almost a cult film. And to match up to that, we really had to work in terms of the story. Once we all were kind of happy and satisfied with the way it turned out, we went out and shot it. So.
No, and also the film, if you see, अगर आपने trailer देखा, it gives a platform for a new generation to come and be heard. So if you see it in its sequel, it's not that it's the same people. So the lead singer in the band happens to be Shraddha, who comes in, and you see, like it says in the trailer, every generation finds its voice. That's what it is. So I think it is there. And the directors work very hard. उन्होंने as a rock star पूरे body को भी tattoo कर लिया है.
रितेश आपने ये मैंडेट किया था ये पहले से?
नहीं, मैंने एक्चुअली इनको कहा था कि अगर आपको असली में फिल्म बनानी है रॉक ऑन सीक्वल, तो सबसे पहले आपको एक्टर्स को कन्विंस करने के बाद यू आर द रॉकिंग डायरेक्टर. तो इन्होंने कर दिया है.
तो उन्होंने मुझे स्पॉट किया, बोला ये सही लग रहा है, इसके साथ बना लेते.
Okay, might be I'm repeating myself, Sujat. How you came on board and what you felt, while working on the entire project. What is the most difficult part, especially the casting? Casting is absolutely mind-blowing. What we have seen the first now, and the second one is looking amazing.
Yeah, see, the thing is that I knew Ritesh and Farhan and worked on Dawn too earlier. So in fact, we were working on something else when Ritesh called me once and he said, would you like to do Rock On 2? So I said, that sounds fantastic. I would love to do it. And gave me the script, and that's when the journey began from there in terms of writing it out. And we just went with the flow, and it was great fun. I don't think there was any struggle or any. आपने क्या पूछा था? Sorry.
Difficult part, casting.
No, difficult. I mean, the cast. Yeah, the cast was actually. The three characters: KD, Purab, Joe, Arjun, and Adi, Farhan, and Prachi and Shana. We were looking for someone who, in terms of a new, the talent, the new character, who could sing. Because it was very clear that we need an artist who will also sing her songs. That's how Ritesh in fact put me on to Shraddha. He had spoken to Shraddha, and I met Shraddha. We went through the script. She read it and she loved it, and from there on it was fun.
Ritesh, coming back with the franchise, it's really difficult. I mean, it's a challenging job, but the most challenge was the music. For the rock on music, it has bars, it creates the bar. So how challenging it for you to create music?
I think जैसे see Shankar Ehsaan Loy, the Shankar Ehsaan Loy are the music directors of the film, and they had done part 1 as well. So I think they understood what level it needs to go. So I think जब आप script पढ़ते हो, so you realize what kind of music you need in it. So there is a lot. I think in terms of growth, even the sound has changed. It has grown. You'll see it now. Every week we'll be, when we release the music on 17th September is the plan, and we're doing like a musical concert where we'll be releasing the album as well as 2 songs. So you'll get to see. But yeah, I think it's the kind of film which obviously the music they work the longest. जब दूसरे फिल्मों की prep होती है, I think you prep for 1, 2 months, 3 months, 4 months. But on this, I think we prepped almost for 8, 9 months because each song had to be given its time because it's like a part of the narrative, and in a way, it's the soul of the film, actually, in its sense.
Also, what we've done this time, what Shankar Ehsaan and Loy beautifully done, is that the canvas of music is much larger. So, Shraddha's character in terms of her sound and her music. And we shot this in Shillong, in Meghalaya. So, we have also incorporated a lot of local music, Khasi music. So, the canvas of music is really huge this time.
Thank you.
Thank you.
चलो बैक की लाइट बंद कर दो। भाई पीछे से हट जाओ प्लीज, आप फ्रेम में हो।
Don't worry, sir. Okay, leave it. Yeah, you have to just keep your hand.
रोलिंग।
Farhan, this is really promising and it's looking absolutely mind-blowing.
Thank you,
We
yeah.
just loved it.
Thank you.
What is the most challenging part while working on the casting or the music? Even the music is amazing.
नहीं, जैसे when you start feeling completely schizophrenic, जैसे कि मैं कह रहा था आपसे. No, all of it is equally as challenging and equally exciting. We want the music to be good. We of course want the best for casting. We want the locations to be good, and most importantly, I think we have a certain responsibility to the first film and to the people who have really kept that film alive, kept the memory of that film alive. That when they watch this film, you know, they really feel like we've made it again with the kind of love that we made the first one. I think that is probably the biggest challenge, to live up to that.
Okay, मीडिया को दिखाने से पहले क्या आपने किसी और को भी टीजर दिखाया है अपनी फैमिली से या बॉलीवुड?
नहीं नहीं, बिल्कुल नहीं, बहुत सुपरस्टिशियस हैं हम लोग. हम पहले मीडिया को दिखाते हैं, उसके बाद फैमिली को दिखाते हैं सारी चीज़ें. तो हाँ, this thing be very seriously also. Oh, I see.
चलो सर, आप क्योंकि आप गाने गा लेती थी इसलिए आप हिस्सा बनी. Please, what do you expect? Please let us know how you came on this.
आई थिंक आपको मेरे डायरेक्टर से पूछना चाहिए सो आई थिंक इट्स ऑल इन माई गुड फॉर्चून. मैं एक्चुअली बहुत लकी हो गई क्योंकि आई फील कि मैं रॉक ऑन वन की सबसे बड़ी फ़ैन हूँ. और जब मैंने वो फिल्म देखी थी, मैंने तय कर लिया था कि अगर ये एक सीक्वल बनाएंगे तो मैं उसमें डेफिनेटली रहूँगी. तो वो हो रहा है, तो इट्स लाइक
ये बहुत ही एक वाटर्ड डाउन तरीके में आपको बता रही हूँ. टेल हिम प्रॉपर्ली, आप थिएटर में बैठी थी, फिल्म खत्म हुआ, पेरेंट्स साथ में थे. She got up and she looked at him and said, "If they make a sequel, I'm going to be in it." And they were like, "Of course, absolutely." Was it something like that?
ऐसा ही कुछ. So and yeah, and since I love singing also apart from acting, so I was very happy कि they decided to make Rock On 2 and they wanted me in it, so I was very thrilled. Yeah.
आप किस वाद्य यंत्र पे को संभालते हुए नजर आएंगी फिर?
मैं I'll be playing the keyboard in Rock On 2, so I hope you guys like it. Yeah.
एंड फरहान, गानों का सिलेक्शन कैसे हुआ, क्योंकि आपकी फिल्म में गाने बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट हैं, खासतौर से रॉक ऑन.
यार मैं सच कहूँ, सभी लोगों की फिल्मों में गाने इंपॉर्टेंट होते हैं. मेरी मीट से मेरी फिल्मों में होते हैं.
Yeah.
तरीके का जब म्यूजिक,
मगर इट्स अ काइंड ऑफ म्यूजिक. ये एक जॉनर है जो विच स्टार्टेड टू अ सर्टेन एक्सटेंट इन अ वेरी पॉपुलर मेन स्ट्रीम काइंड ऑफ वे विद रॉक ऑन वन. तो उम्मीद तो यही है कि जो गाने हमने बनाए हैं, शंकर एहसानलॉय अगेन in combination with the lyrics that my father has written, we hope to achieve the kind of music that we did in Rock On One. मगर of course एक maturity आ गई है, 8 साल कैरेक्टर के लाइफ में आगे बढ़े हैं. इसमें एक कीबोर्ड प्लेयर है, एक बेस प्लेयर हैज़ जॉइंट अस, अ सरोद प्लेयर हैज़ जॉइंट अस. तो एक नया इंटरेस्टिंग साउंड है. और लाइफ के जो एक्सपीरियंसेस हैं सारे कैरेक्टर्स के, वो भी काफ़ी चेंज हुए हैं. तो द राइटिंग इज स्लाइटली मोर मैच्योर देन द फर्स्ट वन. बट उम्मीद तो यही करेंगे कि लोगों को उतना ही पसंद आए जैसे रॉक ऑन वन की.
बहुत टाइम हो गया रॉक ऑन 2 आने में, 8 साल लग गए. जैसे रितेश ने भी कहा, कोई खास कारण इतना टाइम लगा फॉर द सीक्वल टू कम आउट?
I think I answered that in the first question that I was asked. It is a responsibility, you know, towards people who have loved the first one, to not just give them something for the sake of giving them something. It's important to be very sure, to be happy, to be proud of what you're going to share. और unfortunately या fortunately इतना वक्त लगा for the script to come together, for the cast to come together, for everything to come together. And here it is.
Thank you. Thank you.
The title track gonna be in the film. Have you seen the
Sorry?
the title track gonna be in the film or other tracks from previous one?
सर अभी सब कुछ यही बता दूंगा तो फिर फायदा क्या?
थोड़ा मिस्ट्री रखने दो
धीरे
ना गाइस.
धीरे धीरे सारे the layers will peel off by the time. Thank you.
We'll have a special event him singing.
पहले सोलो लेकर
और महाशय जो हमसे सवाल पूछेंगे
They're trying not to piss you off.
Especially the music part.
अरे ये भाई हाँ जी सर
अर्जुन कितना चैलेंजिंग रहा रॉकन प्रूव करना और साथ में इस बात को मेंटेन रखना कि पहला किरदार दूसरे किरदार से कहीं मैच ना हो?
अरे मैच तो होना चाहिए सीक्वल है भाई साहब
यकीन है लेकिन फिर भी
लेकिन हाँ अगर जिस तरीके से उन्होंने रॉक ऑन 2 का जो किरदार लिखा है जो के लिए 8 साल बाद आप उनसे उनकी मुलाकात होती है दर्शक की मुलाकात होगी जो के साथ मेरी भी हुई थी उसी हिसाब से तो क्या हो बीती उस 8 सालों में वो ये कहानी और उसी प्रकार से मुझे भी एडजस्ट करना पड़ा क्या होता है कि हम सब बदलते हैं दुनिया में चेंजेस इनेविटेबल तो उसी हिसाब से जब मेरा भी किरदार काफ़ी बदला है और किस हिसाब से बदला है उसे किस तरीके से आई हैड टू एम्ब्रेस हिम क्योंकि जो एक बहुत ही वाज अ कैरेक्टर दैट वाज वेरी क्लोज टू माय हार्ट और जब कुछ अलग देता है एक निर्देशक आपको कि आप इस तरीके से उसे पोर्ट्रेट कीजिए क्योंकि ये सब हुआ है जो कि ज़िंदगी में तो हाँ थोड़ी बहुत इनिशियली मुश्किल आप महसूस करते हो कि ये मुश्किल होगा लेकिन तो जो बेसिक होता है एक किरदार का जो एक फाउंडेशन होता है वो कभी नहीं बदल सकता और वो हम सब में नहीं बदलता और वही हमारी फिल्म की कहानी है
Are we going to see singing?
Is प्राची सिंगिंग
मुझे लगता है साक्षी मेरी तरह शायद बस एक बाथरूम सिंगर है तो स्टेज पे नहीं आती है गाना नहीं गाती है इनके साथ वो ये लोग वो कमी पूरी कर देते हैं बट आई थिंक इनको सुनने में इनको जैम करते हुए देखने में और वो सब मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा मज़ा आया और मैं थोड़ी इंस्पायर्ड हो गई तो तब से आई थिंक आई इंक्रीज माई बाथरूम सिंगिंग बट एज द कैरेक्टर आई थिंक साक्षी अनफॉर्चुनेटली अभी भी नहीं गाती है
अभी गाई थी रॉक ऑन वन में
अर्जुन म्यूजिक की बात करें क्या इसमें में भी फरहान के जो गाने सारे उन्होंने ही गाए बिकॉज वी वांटेड टू आस्क हिम दैट क्वेश्चन बट ही लेफ्ट इन अ रश सो हैज ही सम
He'll come back. You can ask it to him again.
आपसे जानना चाहेंगे
हाँ?
आपसे भी जानना चाहेंगे क्या
नहीं फरहान takes his singing and his singing career very seriously. I mean, you watch him, and I've gone and we've all gone. And we've watched him live in Farhan live, and he's very amazing. He's very amazing, and he is a poet. He writes his own songs. He's very, very talented, and he does all of that. So for him, Rock On is an extension of him, you know, and you have to be appreciative about that because how much he has the skill in this genre of film. I don't think any of us as actors have that. So it's a very something you must really appreciate. It is the reason why I think also Rock On 2 took so much time to get made and was made in this way. You know, because he's very passionate. Farhan is very, very passionate about his sound and about his music. And he's half Parsi, so, and I know Parsis. So, yeah, you know, he's quite mad in that sense. But he is, when he gets his head to something, he sticks with it. And he's done that with this movie. And the sound of this movie with Shankar Ehsaan Loy, Farhan, and even Shraddha, who's got a beautiful voice, collaborating, is very, very special.
Well,
Farhan.
हाइट
बढ़ गई
in the first part we seen with the music, with the film, it's overall fantastic. But the look of your character, each and every character of yours was fantastic. This time, but changes in your character. Were you disappointed with the
Were you disappointed?
You are looking cool. You are looking cool. Absolutely cool.
Yeah, so see, I don't understand your question. And if you look the same way after 8 years, that means you're stuck in a time warp. You know? Sometimes if Joe, I think, had long hair in this movie, I would not do this movie. Because I would believe that Joe would cut his hair. The same way, like my guru of music is Bono from U2. You know? Bono had really long hair when he did Rattle and Hum, when he did Streets Have No Name, and all those kind of albums. And now you see him, he's got short hair, he's a humanitarian, you know, he is with the UNO, he's grown. And I think growth is very important, and that's what we've tried to portray through the film.
Okay, Prachi, there's new entry in Rock On 2, that is Shraddha Kapoor. Shashank Arora is a part of it. You know?
Right.
Do you think there'll be a comparison once, though you already been part of Rock On first, now Shraddha is part of another one, the Rock On 2. Do you think there'll be a comparison between you and Shraddha Kapoor? With all due respect.
Was there any comparison between the four boys in the first film?
Yeah,
I'm sure there was, and I don't think there's ever space for that. I think everybody's so amazingly well fit into the roles that they're doing, and I truly believe that we are meant for it. I don't think anybody else could have been Joe. I don't think anybody else could have been Jia or Adi or Sakshi. So I feel that everybody has their own space who's kind of, I think, very beautifully fitting into it. And you have to watch the film to believe what each one brings to it. And I'm sure that I hope that people really love it, and I believe nobody else could have done those parts. So there's no space for comparison.
You see, it's not about the quantity, it's the quality of each part. And I think each one is given a lot of quality because of the respect of what we were trying to do. The sad part is that today when we talk about a franchise or we talk about a sequel, 90% of the sequels that are being made in this country don't even retain those characters. Okay? Characters change, their names change. Okay, they're the same people, but it's a sequel, but their names change, circumstances change, and it's just, you say, oh, it's a sequel. That's not how a sequel is. Spider-Man cannot become Superman, and Superman cannot become Batman. That's a sequel. Okay, and I think Rock On is being true to that. And true to all those characters. Today I really miss my wife Debbie. Okay, and I wish she was here. Because she's also really, really amazing in the film. And Shana was amazing in the earlier one. So yes, that's what the spirit and the feeling of all of us coming together to do a sequel. इसलिए 8 साल लगे. क्योंकि स्क्रिप्ट ही नहीं मिली. ऐसा नहीं था कि नहीं करना चाहते थे. रितेश सिलवानी तो कल बनाना चाहता था. ओके, अब तक तो 4 हो जाते. ओके, मगर उस हिसाब से नहीं हुआ. इसीलिए क्योंकि we all have been, including Ritesh, Farhan, and the whole team have been very, very particular about something very pure, not becoming spoiled.
Arjun, as you said, it took 8 years to make the sequel, so was it difficult to retain that chemistry for Magic? Like, तुम लोग जब first part में थे, Rock On में chemistry था 4 characters का. Was it difficult to retain that chemistry?
Yeah, I thought about the same thing. It's a very good question what you asked, It's actually, I thought the same thing. 8 साल हो गए, हम वापस मिलेंगे, हमारी chemistry जमेगी, नहीं जमेगी, किस हिसाब से जमेगी, okay? मगर आज जब हम we were driving here, after experiencing it only can you give that answer. I told Farhan, I said the nicest thing is कि we took this film to Shillong. We all met on an outdoor. Okay. Yes, we were a bit awkward initially कि क्या होगा, कैसे होगा, किसका किरदार किस हिसाब से होगा. Because Rock On I think was very special to a lot of people, from a Farhan to a Prachi to a Shahana to me, Purab, Luke. Everybody who was part of Rock On, it was very, very special because it did so much for us that we were all like, yaar, ye gadbad na ho jaye. I hope it's not just a commercial, money-making decision. And it was not. That's why it took 8 years. And I'm so glad they took it to Shillong. Because when we all met there, and how we met, when we had our first breakfast, second one, third one, by the fourth breakfast,
No stopping us.
yeah, there was nothing stopping us, and and that was really, really beautiful.
Even
And
the
we all
director
came
couldn't
together.
stop us.
Yeah, and Shujat, he's the guy who had the maximum amount of pressure.
Yeah.
Really, because to say, Acha, chalo, you are going to direct a sequel to a director who's already made a sequel, and he's become very popular about that. To take that pressure, to make all of us comfortable, to be so mature in the way he dealt with it for his first film, or for any film of his. He dealt with it very beautifully. He knew each character very well. And I think that was really wonderful.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, Arjun. Thank you, Prachi.
Thank you, Prachi. Thank you, Arjun.
कहाँ देखना सामने स्ट्रेट यू ऑलरेडी आस्क्ड मी आई एम गोइंग तो सबके लिए पूछ रहा है
कितना लकी मानते हैं आप रॉकन 2 का भी हिस्सा है?
बहुत लकी हूँ यार। ये फिल्म ऐसी फिल्म है जो इतने सारे लोग रुके इस फिल्म के लिए। आज जब हमारा पोस्टर रिलीज़ भी हुआ है और जो क्रेज़ है हमारे पोस्टर को लेके, इतने सारे ट्वीट्स हुए, इनफैक्ट यू आर ट्रेंडिंग ऑल्सो राइट। हाँ नंबर 2 पे पहुंच गए थे। तो आई थिंक इट्स अ फिल्म दैट इज़ आई मीन इट्स क्लोज टू सो मेनी पीपल्स हार्ट्स। पीपल हैव ग्रोन अप वाचिंग दिस फिल्म। बहुत सारे म्यूजिशियंस जो है आज के टाइम पे म्यूजिशियंस बने थे पहले रॉक ऑन देख के, सो आफ्टर 8 years दे बिकम प्रोफेशनल म्यूजिशियंस। आई थिंक ये एक हिस्सा बन गया सबके ज़िंदगी का एंड आई थिंक इट्स जस्ट ओवरवेलमिंग टू बी अ पार्ट ऑफ दिस फिल्म। और आज हमने अभी एक छोटा सा झलक, एक टीज़र देखा है हमारी फिल्म का। फर्स्ट टाइम आई हैव सीन एनीथिंग फ्रॉम द फिल्म एंड इट लुक्स फैंटास्टिक। सो वी ऑल वेरी एक्साइटेड एंड ऑफ कोर्स ये हमारे बैंड के नए मेंबर है, ये मिस्टर शशांक अरोड़ा जो उदय है फिल्म में। आप क्या कहना चाहेंगे?
मैं ये कहना चाहूँगा कि मैं आज एक सपने में उठा था विच इज़ रॉक ऑन 2 और बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है यार। इन सब खूबसूरत कलाकारों का हिस्सा बनकर बहुत बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है। आई कांट वेट।
आप खुद एक म्यूजिशियन हैं
जी।
डज इट मेक इजीियर फॉर यू टू बी पार्ट?
नो मुझे ये रियलाइज़ हुआ एक म्यूजिशियन बन के कि मुझे सरोद बजाने के बारे में कुछ नहीं पता है और सरोद एक बहुत मुश्किल इंस्ट्रूमेंट
ये
है।
यूकेलेले बजाते हैं?
जी, मैं थोड़ा बहुत गिटार और थोड़ा बहुत गाता हूँ, पर एक्टिंग एज अ म्यूजिशियन इज़ अ डिफरेंट गेम यार। तो इट्स अ डिफरेंट वर्ल्ड।
What about the music? This will be the challenging mode for the film, basically.
वेल अब तो फ़िलहाल सिर्फ एक छोटा सा झलक है जैसे मैंने बताया था, लेकिन आगे बहुत चीज़ें आएंगी फिल्म के। पोस्टर और टीज़र के बाद ट्रेलर आएगा, ट्रेलर के बाद सॉन्ग्स आपको सुनाई देंगे। एक तो गाना जो पिछले फिल्म से ऑलरेडी आगे आ रहा है विच इज़ द रॉक ऑन टाइटल ट्रैक, तो वो डेफिनेटली आपको पसंद है पहले से, तो आप इन्जॉय करेंगे इसमें। द न्यू वर्जन विच श्रद्धाज वॉइस ऑल्सो, तो वो डेफिनेटली इन्जॉय करेंगे आप। उसके अलावा आई थिंक द म्यूज़िक इज़ गॉन लाइक द फिल्म। 8 साल हो गए फिल्म, पहली फिल्म को लेके, तो द सेकंड फिल्म इज़ अ लॉट मोर मैच्योर। आई थिंक द म्यूज़िक ऑल्सो इज़ गॉन थ्रू इट्स ओन evolution of and gotten a more mature, gotten a little bit more mature. So I think that's something that you need to look forward to.
Okay, there's a new entry in the film that is Shraddha Kapoor. शशांक को तो आपने मिला ही दिया हमसे। कैसा एक्सपीरियंस रहा और क्या कितना अलग होगा सब कुछ? यू नो दो प्राची इज ऑलरेडी पार्ट ऑफ रॉक ऑन 2 नाउ, श्रद्धा इज नादर।
Definitely, I mean हम
कैसा एक्सपीरियंस रहा मेरे साथ मिलकर?
वो तो मैंने बता दिया। ओए माइक गिरा मत। आई थिंक एक तो बहुत सारी मेल एनर्जी है फिल्म में। देखा जाए रॉक ऑन 1 में इट्स ऑल अबाउट द बॉयज़, द बॉय बैंड, हम लोग 4 थे उस फिल्म में। ऑफ कोर्स लूक केनी इस फिल्म में नहीं है, बट हियर टू रिप्लेस लूक ऑन कीबोर्ड्स एंड ऑल्सो वोकल्स इज श्रद्धा कपूर एंड ऑफ कोर्स शशांक जो बेस गिटार और सरोद बजाते हैं फिल्म में। बट आई थिंक जैसे आपने पूछा है श्रद्धा के बारे में, तो आई थिंक she's brought a really beautiful flavor into the singing of the film. क्योंकि पिछले फिल्म जब आप देखा होगा तो there was just Farhan's voice that you could identify all the rock on songs with, and now suddenly there's a female vocal also in it, and I think that really makes a huge impact. और श्रद्धा बहुत अच्छी गाती है। आई थिंक आपने ऑलरेडी सुना होगा, अगर आपने उसकी फिल्म्स देखी होगी तो शी sang for films in the past. तो this is just another level, क्योंकि उस फिल्मों में इट्स मोर लाइक प्लेबैक सिंगिंग एंड इट्स मोर लाइक यू नो बॉलीवुड स्टाइल। यहाँ पे उनको परफॉर्म करते हुए देखेंगे आप, एंड आई थिंक दैट्स अ होल अनदर एनर्जी विच शी ब्रिंग्स इनटू द फिल्म, एंड इट्स वेरी लाइवली, इट्स वेरी स्पार्की। it's the next generation, and I think you're going to really, really love her in the film.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Luke's character, considering you had a special.
Sorry?
Did you miss Luke's character? In the
Yes, we miss Luke a lot. In fact, we were hoping that he could have been fitted in somewhere into the film, especially my character, because KD and Luke and Rob were very close in the first film. So that absence is definitely felt. But we love brother Luke, and we hope to see him around in some of the promotions. And of course, when the film is out, I'm sure he'll be in here at Lightbox for one of the screenings.
Thank you.
Thanks.
Thanks.